Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show to you our 4-roll plate rolling machine. As you can see, this machine is being used to make a cone using the joysticks and the panel which we have given to the client. This machine is capable to do pre-bending or edge bending on its own. As you can see, the sheet is already pre-bent. You can see the edges are already bent. Our machines come with the flexibility to tilt the rollers as per our wants and needs. However, to roll a cone, you would want an extra guide which is fitted on the top roller or the bottom roller depending on the type of cone you want to make. As you can see, they have very easily formed a cone. In conventional machines, the sheet has to be manually shifted multiple times to form the cone shape. However, in our machine, only a single operator is able to roll the cone using our panel. The machine is so easy to operate and comes with all the guides and fixtures to ensure that no manual work is done. Now you can see in just couple of minutes how easily a single operator was able to roll such a perfect cone. You can see the edges being matched so perfectly. It shows how easy to operate our machine is.